Hey, what's up, Ecash coin holder? What's going on this time? Ecash coin price will pumping up. Definitely, it's really good now, my friend. You can see here 2.79% the Ecash price will increase now in last 24 hour, my friend. So remember to in last 24 hour, all crypto market is moving upward. All crypto market is comfortable. So therefore, I think it's really good news for all of you. To Ecash coin price will pumping up, my friend. Really good news. Please, before I get started this video, I have one request from all of you to please subscribe this channel, and after that please press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very good for me, my friends. So please subscribe my channel and complete 15,000 subscriber. The market cap, my friend, of my friend, you can see at this time Ecash coin is very fastly moving upward. You can see 4 billion, 2.70%, my friend. You can see the market cap increasing. Fully diluted market cap, you can see 4 billion. And my friend, as you can see, the volume as 24 hour as 137 my friend, and 347,228 billion, my friend, USD dollar. 75.84% the price is decreased now. The volume is decreased now. It's really bad news. In the volume market cap, you can see 0.03363, and circulating supply is 18 billion, my friend. You can see here, and everything is going fine. But please hold it. Sometime the coin will fails down. So this is does not mean to you are starting selling. Yes, my viewers, my subscriber, please, this is does not mean to you are starting selling. You will need to hold down. I hope, my friend, if you are starting holding, so the price will be increasing, because there is no dump. Absolutely, they will never lost in last 24 hours. So therefore, I am so happy, my friends, to listen this now. And I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the Ecash coin will more moving upward. But please don't worry. I hope, my friends, they will make you also millionaire now. So see you next time, Ecash coin holder. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.